There were so many great reminders and skills to re-look at and be reminded about, and also some new things to learn. I really enjoyed also how interactive the workshop was and how we all got to contribute and share about our experiences related to what was being presented. Well, I think I really enjoyed the whole lot. I loved the idea of us going through all the 7 steps, and I liked how we had time also to discuss the different themes within that, and really sharpening the tools and also the interactiveness of the workshop.
I felt that you were very clear in your explanation of the different parts of business. It was very relatable, and you got the best out of the attendees. They were able to give lived experience of the different examples. To keep going, to concentrate on where the money making is, and to service that part of the business the best. It's a very friendly environment that gives you a lot of information, very professional information, but in a very friendly way. And it's explained very clearly, and you're not made to feel like you're behind or you're an idiot or anything like that. It's very empowering.